So today we're painting and removing the front forks in that order. And this is how we do it. Alright, so for my next trick, I'm going to remove the front forks. Now this bike has air suspension on the front forks, so to do that, the first thing we have to do is go up here and relieve the pressure from this air valve. This guy here, and in theory. Alright, so our next step is to remove this nut here and this nut over here and disconnect the air tube from each shock. Alright, next, we loosen this guy, and this guy, and then these guys right here. Thanks for watching this episode. In future episodes, we're going to be putting the front end back together, and it's going to look mean, as my dad calls it. So if you like mean motorcycles, you got something to look forward to now. So keep on wrenching, everybody, and we'll see you next time.